For our next example, we're going to look at finding the magnitude of a vector. It's very simple to find the magnitude of a vector. The magnitude of a vector, and I'll use a double line. I think they just might use a single line, so I'll put that in here. But the magnitude of the vector is simply the square root of its I component. So if the vector is AI plus BJ, if that's the vector V, then the magnitude of the vector is simply a squared plus b squared. It has very much a similar property of the polar coordinates, and that's why they're teaching it this way. And so we have the square root of 6 squared plus 2 squared in number 40, because in number 40, I apologize, I didn't write it. It was 6i plus 2j, and they wanted us to find the magnitude. And so the magnitude is simply square root of 6 squared plus 2 squared, or the square root of 36 plus 4, or the square root of 40. They won't leave it as the square root of 40. They'll bring out the perfect square of 4 and write 2 root 10. That's the magnitude.